What's good, guys? What's good, guys? Virtual right here. Been a while, been a minute. Let me stop this music a little bit. Yeah. How you been now? How you guys been? I know it's been a long time out here, and you know, I just want to make this breakdown video for you guys a little bit. I hope you guys been good. I hope you guys been trading more. I hope you guys been learning more about the market. There's been a whole lot of things that happened, you know what I'm saying, from first quarter, second quarter. I think we're in second quarter now. Yeah, we are in second quarter. And we're just trying to make a little bit money before we wrap up second quarter. And so far so good. I just want to say thank God for for the willingness actually to learn this skill, you know. But anyways, let's not get into that. A little bit of my own personal vibe. So yeah, I just want to make this video real short, real quick, and a breakdown on how I caught this GJ moves from London and New York session today, and hope you guys learned from it. You know, actually took two trades today, and that was from gold obviously, and GJ. So yeah, gold's crazy, gold's been crazy. They go really move wild and go was amazing. Like how I really did this goal thing. Like, look, you get to a stage in one of your trading career whereby you've seen this thing play out over and over and over and over again, like multiple times. You've seen it play out multiple times. You've seen it happen, you know what I'm saying, as far as structure is concerned, because the market always repeats itself. Understand? So when we see moves like this now, like effortlessly, being honest, or very, very effortlessly like this, I catch moves and like you get to see one opportunity and you just can't catch them all, you understand? You can't just catch them all. So if I held this trade, I could have, you know, 'cause I'm trading a small account, which could have been more reason for me to hold this trade, but well, you know, this is what it is anyways. This is what it is. So let me go on to gold, how I caught gold, and you know how I got my ideal set up from it as well. So so I woke up like Nigerian time. I woke up like 6 7 in the morning today. Depends on what time yeah, like 6:30 in the morning. Yeah, 6:37 in the morning. I woke up today and I was like, you know, yesterday I was selling. I think yesterday I was, yeah, I got clapped here trying to sell gold. Yesterday I got really clapped like so hard. Disturbance, like bro, it stopped me out, started moving, and you know, I thought price was gonna reject this zone. Thought price was gonna actually reject this zone, like bounce off this zone and start trending back down. But he didn't actually do that. So what he did was actually started trading above that zone, and that zone was a previous resistance. You know, like a previous resistance. You know, and now it broke the resistance and started bouncing in here as a support and started making supports on here. Then I woke up this morning. I saw how price was already rejecting where I was potentially selling from yesterday. So and I mean, seeing that and see how he played, I was like, okay, fine. Let me just pop these buys, take out these highs for first TP. I knew if price could break above this whole zone, just I wasn't watching the chart at that time, but I knew if price was going to, I knew if price was going to break above this zone, I knew I'll be looking for buys. Understand? I knew I was going to look for buys if price breaks above this zone here, this area, since we didn't, still gonna look for buys, but instead I decided to use that as my TP and decided to use that as my take profit zone at the end of the day. So while I got into this trade, I saw market structure, how we kept on forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and you know, you follow the trend. And one thing I've learned in this whole industry is the trend is your friend. You know, follow the trend, market structure. You see, sorry guys, I have like a bit of cold, you know. So effortlessly for real, I swear to God, like effortlessly, bro. I got this shit. Yeah, I've made more money from this for real. Like that was like almost 300 pips, almost 300 pips, and I only cost 50 pips. How the story, but it happens. Is that it happens, especially when you have actually predicted the type of moves before, you know, and it just happens for real. Some days you just don't catch it all. So yeah, I saw how see how we see how we're actually failing to break lower, and we're actually on that same resistance zone after breaking it, and we started retesting under that support, like above the support. Yeah, I started making support over here on this zone, because basically if price wanted to go down, price could have bounced off here and just dropped, but it didn't. That price wanted to keep having that bullish momentum, and I followed the bullish momentum, which is the uptrend, and I caught this move. Partially it's my eyes. I just see it, and I have zones marked out. So I trade zone to zones. You understand? I trade zones to zones. I just have those zones marked out. You know, and I mean, if you want to add other confluences, like you could add this channel break over here, this little this little channel here. You could add that break as well. You could add that break over there, and I mean, you could get like an entry as well. Not the best, but when you see price, just do the same thing and go back. Like this channel break strategy is just awesome. Just awesome, 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 and thanks to my eyes, thanks to me learning that shit, and understanding what that should be. So I took my buys. I didn't really hesitate, because one thing about me is like I don't hesitate to execute, so I just do it properly well, and then they just execute. I win or I lose, just executing. So that was how I caught gold today. But the best trade setups today for me was gold. Was GJPY, and I mean it was really really amazing, really amazing. Same thing I said today, you know. Same thing I said today. Yesterday, just yesterday, yeah. I was looking for buys all over these zones, bro. I still got slapped. I got fucking slapped hard yesterday. So look, you could see how I got stopped. I was holding a position from here, from this zone to this zone. I thought we would have a retest and keep pushing back up, but bro, I got stopped out at the end of the day, and that wasn't nice as well. So for today, this London session was, yo. So I saw price making this down channel, and we were actually still we were actually still rejecting this whole zone, so we didn't break this low. We didn't break this low at all. So I was like expecting this whole break, and we especially this what's it called? These whole zones. Like you can see this zone, support, broke, support, support, broke. It's like a major key zones. Like I tell you, I trade zones to zones, and that's how it is for me. I just trade zones to zones, and I don't do nothing but that. I just trade zones to zones. You can see how my zones are perfectly marked out. Then I just wait for price action to see what price action gives to me before I start executing. And at the end of the day, next tomorrow is NFP week, so I don't know if there's gonna be more volume tomorrow for GJ, but I see GJ do going back to 16400 to 16800 immediately over here. I'll be very bullish. But now, how I got this trade during London session, this London session was actually here. So I saw price actually like failing to break below this level here. I saw price failing to break below this level. You know, I saw it actually rejecting to break. So I got in the buy at first. I got in the buy, then I had this down. I was waiting for this challenge to just break above. The moment I saw it break above, bro, I didn't hesitate. I took my buys, bam. You can see. I actually had this first early entry here. Then when I saw this break of structure, bro, I just executed. Thanks to Daniel once again, Dan Savage. This structure break, and this whole channel there thingy, it's helping us make money to an extent. So yeah, I saw that, and bro, I was cool with it. At the end of the day, I was cool with it. I was cool with it. Then Once I saw us break this zone, this first structure here, this high, when I saw us break this, I was waiting for a lower, for a pullback for me to start looking for like an entry, and that was what I waited, and that's what I did. An entry channel here, down channel break, boom, above. Another down channel again, boom, broke, retested, bam, above, slotted that shit. I closed actually, yeah, I just actually closed my trade. But I was actually gonna wait for it to hit this whole TP because I know NFP volume when it comes, like it just follows the trend. I just go. I don't want to like risk that, you understand? So I just took out my profits over here. Understand? So that was how I actually got this that was how I actually got this whole GJ move, and I was super excited about it. So my battery is very very low, and I have to really run. So I hopefully you guys learn something. At least the channel breaks make the money as well. The trend, following the trend and being your friend as well. You don't go wrong with that. You don't go wrong with that. But once again, I hope I keep making more YouTube videos. I hope I keep making more content very very soon and very consistent as well. And as well as I am like trying to improve my knowledge in the forex market, and I hope I keep doing more to improve, on myself as well. That's cool and that's neat. That's okay. Thanks guys for dropping by. I hope to see you guys soon next video, and see you soon.